Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Kim Smalls, and today we're doing a haul because I know you guys like the clip. Y'all seen a little bit too much of the girls. Hold on. Back to what I was saying. Y'all love the hauls. Y'all blew up my Temu video. Well, you blew it up for me. I had like over 1,000 views on the last haul I did. So I think you guys like hauls. So today we're doing a shoe haul because it's perfect for back to school, and also the baddies on a budget because all these shoes were under $100. All these shoes were under $100 and they're all Nikes. So let's just hop into it. We're starting with the most expensive, and they are the Jordans. I have the Jordan 1 lows, and they are so cute. I got them for $80 at JD Sports. Tell me they're not cute. Tell me they're not cute, okay? These go so hard. This is what it's looking like. And also look at the texture. It's like a snake skin texture. I got these to wear on the 4th of July, but it was raining super hard and I didn't want to mess them up yet. So I have yet to wear these, but like $80. $80, come on now. All right, I love these. All right, so the next pair of shoes I got is also from JD Sports, but I got these offline, and they are some Dunks. They are the light soft pink coconut milk women's, and this is what they're looking like. Okay, so this outer part is the soft pink, and then the check mark is the bone color. I believe that's what it said. And these were $60, but look, originally they were what, $125 or $120? Like, okay. And then one thing I like the most is like the shoelace is a felt. Like, they put regular shoelaces, but these are felt. I haven't worn these yet either, but I do have a top and an outfit in mind to wear these. So cute. I love Dunks. I love Dunks. I love lows. Like, well, however you say it, girl, because I'm just now becoming a sneakerhead. Like, and plus, like, I shop on a budget. Like I said, these were under $100. These were half the price of what they originally was. Come on now. All right, so the next shoe I have, I believe there are some Dunks too. They are Dunks, and this is the Phantom. Oh, the other one was coconut milk. This is the Phantom light bone olive aura. These were $65, but look at that. Hold on. Look at that. The check mark is green, and the other color is like that bone color. These go so hard. And then like what I like about them too is also they have a little check mark right here. And like I said, $65. These are cute. And I got them from JD Sports as well. Like, most of these shoes are all from JD Sports, and I'll have them linked in the description. All right, so now we're changing the style of shoe. I got these actually from Foot Locker for $70, and I realized that now I kind of love this shape of shoe too, especially if you're looking for like comfort and you're looking for like a good gym shoe. So these are the Vomeros, and they are the Vomero 5 Glacier Blue. So, and blue is my favorite color. So this is the shoe, and I got a size 7 in grade school. So that's a cheat code. Like, if you are a girl and you have like a size 8.5 and smaller, check out the grade school shoes for boys because they kind of be a little bit cheaper. And to me, I feel like men's shoes are a little bit more comfortable. than a woman's shoe. I can't explain it. I feel like they have more space, especially since I have like flat and wide feet. But these shoes I thought would be so uncomfortable, but they are so comfortable. So I got these for $70 at Foot Locker, and I love it. Okay, I love it. I love it. I love it. Alrighty. So this is the last inbox shoe I'm about to show you guys. Like, after this, these are shoes that I got somewhere else. So this is the last box. This is my also new favorite type of shoe. Like, I want to get 2 more pair of these. And these are the Nike P600 Cave Stone Metallic Silver. Alright. I thought they were brown, but I mean, Cave Stone is like a brown. But, okay, they're so hard. And it is metallic. Like, this part is very, like, the stripes right here are very metallic. And again, a very comfy shoe. I got these in a size 7 boys grade school. Okay, and I love the check mark right here. Like, that's kind of like the difference between the Vomeros and the P600s is the stripes up the side, and then you get like a Nike check. And I love these. I love these. Super comfortable, and yeah. All right, so this is the end of the box, like the shoes I have in the box. These I found from the next pair of shoes you guys saw in my last video. And when I was doing my makeup, and I was like, I'm trying to match my eyeshadow with these shoes. These are Vomeros as well, and I got these in a size 7, and I got them from Ross. $60. Like, come on now. And it's perfect for fall. Like, you know, fall burnt orange. Oh my gosh. And these are, like I said, I wear these to the gym. This is like my go-to shoe for the gym, and I love them so much. I just love them. All right, last but not least, I've had these before and I loved them, but I wore them to the ground. And these are the Blazers. Okay, I got them for clearance at TJ Maxx, $40. There's no cap in my wrap. These are the cheapest shoe I bought. $40 on clearance, TJ Maxx. These are a size 9, but they still fit, and I wear these to work as well. And I also wear these to the gym when I want to do like weightlifting, when I'm lifting heavy. And they're just basic, but I just couldn't leave them out because these are also still pretty new. I wore them only a couple of times. Girl, I got like how many pairs of shoes? Like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pairs of shoes, all under $100. Do you blame me? Like, do you blame me? Do you blame me? Like, you can't blame me. But honestly, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys like it, and I hope you guys comment below what was your favorite shoe. And I'll talk to you guys in another video. Bye.